The medical revolution is in full swing. All fields of medicine are changing, improving, renewing. The past year showed us that the growing need for innovative technologies used in developing more precise, personalized medicines and treatments is already becoming reality. Among the leaders of this revolution is Israel.
The Israeli high-tech environment is one of the leading environments or ecosystems that can enable this.
They have some of the best scientists in the world.
People think outside the box and look for creative solutions to problems.
Yes, Israel is an international center of innovation with groundbreaking technologies in health, in cyber, in smart transportation, and alternative energy. Israeli innovation in the field of personalized medicine combines biology and engineering. It's called bioconvergence. What exactly is bioconvergence?
Biomics is the only clinical stage phage company out there that targets chronic indication. We deploy phage, which are viruses that infect specific bacteria.
NanoRetina developed a small camera that is implanted inside a patient's eye. Our technology translates light and optical signals into electrical pulses that enables vision to the patient.
The technology that we have developed is under the title bioconvergence.
We have chemistry, engineering, biology, immunology.
SciBio biofabricates tissues from human cells. We take 3D printing and we combine this together with the biology, which essentially brings us the capability to fabricate the tissue in the same anatomical structure as it is in the human body.
And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Because when you're able to collaborate with multidisciplinary capabilities like ICT, big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, then you can create integrative, creative, and innovative medical solutions.
The Israel Innovation Authority creates national and international networks and provide with funding to initiate projects.
Many of Israel's startup nation streams parallel Jefferson streams.
Because of Israel's exceptional innovation ecosystem, we've developed a series of creative partnerships across a spectrum of Israeli institutions.
So let me ask you a question. If Israel is at the forefront of bioconvergence, with the world's most advanced technologies and some of the world's leading medical research centers, and when $40 billion worth of worldwide profits from medicines stem from Israeli inventions, can you afford not to be here?
I would just say that last year was probably one of the most successful years in aspects of trade vis-a-vis Israel and China. We saw a trade volume of almost 17 billion US dollars. A lot of that is based on innovation and technologies. So I think that in that sense, China and Israel should and must collaborate in order to bring prosperity to both of our peoples. I think former Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu called it a match made in heaven when he was here in 2017, and he was referring, he was saying it quite nicely when he said that the Israeli abilities of innovation and chutzpah that you guys might have heard of are taking the project from 0 to 1, and then China would take it from 1 to 100. And I think that this is a thing that imitates maybe perfectly the collaboration that we might have as two great nations. I would like to mention also that this year we mark the 30th anniversary of the Israeli-China diplomatic relations. This is a big event for our embassy, for our countries, and we do work very hard and very closely with the Chinese officials to do activities in the fields of culture, academy, sports, and so on. Just last month, November 17th, President Xi and President Herzog had a very good phone conversation. And in that phone call, President Xi mentioned that he is waiting for the JCIC, which I saw that there is later on a panel on this topic. This is actually the government-to-government meeting between our countries, and I think that this might take place in 24th of January, which is the specific date where they signed the agreement of the establishment of the diplomatic relations. So yet to be come in this aspect, and we waiting to celebrate that. Other than that, I think Israel, as you guys know, is facing many challenges. Because we live in the Middle East and this is a tough neighborhood. But maybe looking to the future optimistically, this year we also mark these days we also mark 1 year for the Abraham Accords, where Israel signed a peace agreements with the UAE, Sudan, and Morocco. And we already see great leap forward with the relations with these countries. Many Israelis are traveling to the UAE. Many Israelis are traveling to Morocco, and the rate of exchange of knowledge and culture between our countries is just flying. I hope, and on behalf of the embassy and of course Israel, we do hope that this is just the first birds that we see, and many are coming afterwards. Hopefully in the upcoming year, we're going to see more countries joining those Abraham Accords. With these regards, I would like to conclude and wish you all a great forum. I will stay tuned and of course listen to most of the panels. And I want to thank Benjamin Pang and all of you guys for the friendship and your work to bring our peoples together. Thank you very much.